Today I'm going to show you how to edit images with Photoshop and Lightroom on ASUS Zenbook Pro Duo 15 OLED. Before we start, organize your material for maximum productivity. Open up Lightroom Classic and import your image. We can use the control panel to lift the shadows, drop the highlights, adjust saturation, and temperature. Now let's bring it into Photoshop to make the image more interesting. Let's go over it with the brush tool to add some clouds. You can adjust your brush size as needed. We can easily lower the opacity to make it blend better. To add some typography, we can adjust the font size to see which one fits best. The control panel on ASUS Zenbook Pro Duo makes editing images super easy and intuitive.